The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued tornado emergency for Endwell, Fenton, Dickinson, Union, Kirkwood, Binghamton, Wauquaga, Endicott, Port Crane and Johnson City until 7:00 p.m. EDT. At 5:27 p.m. EDT, a large tornado was moving along Parkway 434 east of Binghamton on its present path. This large, damaging tornado will enter West Secreans of the Binghamton City metro area between 6:12 p.m. EDT and 6:20 p.m. EDT. Persons in this warning should take immediate tornado precautions. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are in the path of this large and destructive tornado, take cover immediately. Doppler radar has indicated this storm may contain destructive hail to the size of Big Apple or larger. Note: this tornado could be one of the most damaging and deadly one of American history. This tornado is not like all other EF5 tornado.